Alright, in this tutorial, this is going to be sort of an introductory tutorial to form validation. If you've been watching the previous tutorials, you've seen how to input all the objects inside a form that allows users to input data. And now we are going to I'm going to introduce you to Spry validation. This is going to be sort of a quick introductory tutorial so I can show you what is possible with Spry validation. It's really cool stuff. I think you guys are really gonna like how easy this is. I'm going to create a simple text field and then we're going to validate it. I'm going to validate it on an email. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a text field that is going to be a text field for email eventually. So here we go. I'm going to click text field, I'm going to say email, okay, and I'm going to click inside that input and I'm going to click on Spry validation text field, and you can see that it has imported some script and some CSS, and it's also created some script down here. For the time being, don't worry about that. In the later tutorials I will show you how to go inside of those files and actually edit them so we can customize our validation even more. It's going to be really cool, so you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned. So when I clicked on the Spry validation text field, you can see all that stuff it created. It also created this span tag around the input itself, around the text field. And you can also see that down here in the properties, when you click on this span, you can see that it has the Spry text field properties. And there's a few options here. I'm going to go over them in more detail in the following tutorials, but for this introductory one I'm going to click on email address for type, and we are going to click on validate on blur, and I will explain that in the next few tutorials. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. And what this is saying is that it is going to create this Spry assets folder with these two files inside there, and it's going to create that folder inside of the folder where my current forms.html is located, and we're just going to allow that and say OK. So now it should have a label email. I didn't put it, but you know, because I'm telling you that this is supposed to be an email. So you see it, you click inside of it, and the color of the form turns, or the color of the text field turns like a manila color. So I'm going to type in an email address, email@ whatever.com, and I'm going to click outside of it and it's all good. It's given a green light, we can go ahead. So I'm going to take out this @ sign, and now it doesn't like it. So with a few clicks we can completely validate a text field, and it's really that easy. And in the following tutorials we're going to run through each of these specifically, and we're going to talk about what we can do to customize them. We're going to talk about what we can do to make it look better, to format the text. We can change this text, we can change the colors. This is basically just an introduction to what could be a very interesting, cool set of tutorials. So hopefully this introductory tutorial got you excited about the next ones, and hopefully you'll keep watching and keep staying tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.